Hi, this is Farhad, and in this video, I'll show you the next step of our funnel automation. We already have completed this section and this section. Next, we need to do the next step funnel appointment cancel and no show, and the reschedule section of this sequence. So we need to log in our GoHighLevel sub account and then create a new workflow. I'm taking it from the scratch. So at first we need to add trigger. So we need to add trigger appointment status, cancel the calendar in calendar pushing, and the condition should be appointment status cancelled. So next we need to we can set multiple trigger at a time. So I'm going to take another uh, trigger now. It should be no show. Calendar, we are selecting our calendar, and then the account status is no show. So now we have two options at a time. Now need to set assign a new user. We have our new user on do, and now we need to set up a condition if it's condition. At first we can set a cancel, and the workflow trigger is so sorry, it's not showing right now. We need to save it. Without that, this often create problem. So if appointment trigger is cancel, runs cancel. Oh, sorry. We need to get another runs. Not sure if the appointment outflow trigger is no show. So now we have two condition at a time. So at first we need to create a time delay. Wait 1 hour, and then an email sequence will run. Send an email, action email to just about. So after 1 hour, a new email will send. From them. We can give our name, or we can also provide this sub account users in name. For example, I am setting this sub account username. There are two types of name. For first is contact name, and second is user names. User means this assigned person and his name, and from email. This will be the same. The contact users contact email for this. Sorry, we missed you. So this is a draft email, and the link should be vertical link. So if we go to appointment, and there is a reschedule link. Next, we need to set an SMS. I'm copying and pasting it from the previous email. Wait for 1 hour, and then we will set copy duplicate it to my 3 times because we have 3 email sequence, and paste it. There is another duplicate, and this time we need to wait for 1 day. 1 day, and email sequence will be the second one. Other details I'll just copy from the email second. Okay, there is the contact name that I found that is from coming from there full name, and the reschedule link already I added it previous email, so I'm not going to duplicate it, and I'm just going to copy it and set it at SMS, And again we can set it for 3 days. Instead of one, it should be 3 days. And email sequence will be hello. So we can add the customer name and also the schedule link also added from this appointment and this schedule link. So this is I need to copy and paste it to my SMS section. Now I'm just going to copy all section from there. Just need to tag contact tag. It should be no show and no show. Then I'm going to copy all the content from there to here. So this is the same as this one. We can change the content and time depend on our preference. I'm just doing one. Sorry, time today we were waiting for you. You can reschedule appointment from the link from the link. So this way you can change the content of each email and SMS. This I'm not going to other email. So we need to go to our settings, and this is very important. Stop on responsive customer reply, then must be this sequence need to be stopped. This option is very important and need to save. So we have completed our three automation, but there is some problem. If someone book an appointment, their information will be stored in this place, and it will show that it's confirmed because the prospect already confirmed the booking. And there is some other option, cancel, no show, and invalid, but it won't go from there to other place automatically. Technically, you or your assistant need to send the status of this calendar. So how we can make it automatically? I have found a way that is a form. We need to create a form. So it should be feedback form. Next, we need a radio button, appointment time and date, additional information. Did the lead show up in this system? Okay. So I will copy the link and change the name feedback. I can change this form a little bit better, like we can add title. This is the form we have created. We just need to copy the link. So let's done it and save it. So we need to go to our automation system again, and there is the appointment booked option in our system. So now at the end of this automation, so in your system this email will be go one after one. This will be actually before uh, wait before 6 hours I'm just giving name because last time I didn't give any name. Uh, wait, before 30 minutes. So this will be happen, and we just need to set in another time delay. Wait. This time we will use after instead of before. After 2 hours maybe. So this action will happen after the 2 hour of appointment. So we just need to notifications, need an internal notification to our team who are actually maintaining this appointment section. So email type notification. That's what email from. This is my name. So email will be sent from my name to my staff in this funnel staff, personal staff. So I'm just going to send my email. So email will be sent from my email and user type assigned user. This email no need to go for everyone. There is a assigned user. This assigned user will get it. Just what is the so we can send a hello. Now we need to set this email that I received from the form. This is the form link. Let me show you. This is the form link. We recently created a form. This is the form link. There is only one button, simple form. So, but this form is not actionable. So we need to make it actionable with a custom code here, like email. So with email, maybe this should be the prospect's email. And then we can say thank you. So once our stuff visit this link and on a certain status, that will automatically turn into the next section, next automation like no show and appointment cancel. This way we can change the status automatically. So let's save it and change it. Now we need to save and publish.